The city of Atlanta is set to see a big boost to its bottom line this Labor Day weekend. Events are projected to generate millions of dollars, but health officials are warning large gatherings, especially among the unvaccinated, could result in a spike in COVID cases, as we've already been seeing. Well, Joe Ripley is here in studio. And Joe, the city needs a financial boost after a down year in 2020, but they also have to balance out that potential risk of health complications, right?
That's right, Natasha. It is a balancing act for sure. And we are seeing those in-person events adapting in kind, doing whatever they can, whether it's requiring masks at events, testing, vaccinations, to safely gather again and bring much needed business to town.
Whether football fans or fans in cosplay, a clown and her dolly, or a dinosaur, Labor Day weekend has drawn tens of thousands to Atlanta. Maggie Wilson traveled in from Tennessee.
Naturally, we have some concerns, but they're half capacity. They're very clear on the rules. This is the only place I've seen, including my hometown, where everyone is wearing a mask at all times.
Dan Carroll with DragonCon says they required a vaccine or negative COVID test for events, with testing and vaccination opportunities provided on site. These costume-clad DragonCon guests are projected to generate tens of millions of dollars in economic impact for the city of Atlanta.
There's no doubt DragonCon has a huge economic impact on the city of Atlanta, but this year the real story was the emotional impact that we had on our DragonCon attendees who were able to see their friends again in a safe and sane environment.
And Atlanta and Georgia could use the economic boost, says Chris Clark with the Georgia Chamber of Commerce.
They're really impacting three sectors that were hardest hit last year: the hospitality sector, the retail sector, and our restaurants. And so helping them get back to where they were pre-COVID is critical, and I think this weekend is going to help go a long way in doing that.
But health officials fear the combination of travel and large events this Labor Day weekend could lead to a spike in COVID cases.
What we're afraid of is that we will see what we saw around prior holidays. People gathered indoors, they traveled a lot, they spent a lot more time with friends and family, which we have nothing against. But what happened is that precautions weren't taken.
The message from Dr. Lynn Paxton with Fulton's Board of Public Health: if you're going to have fun, do it safely.
And Chris Clark there with the Georgia Chamber of Commerce predicts it could be 6 to 12 months before we see a full economic recovery here in Georgia. Of course, how much more the Delta variant spreads could impact that time frame. Natisha.
All right, a lot of unknown factors out there, Joe. Thank you.